Firework by Katy Perry. Here, let me just play the music. And dun, dun. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, burning the static again? Do you ever feel so big and thin, like a house of cards, or blood from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under street where no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just do the night like the 4th of July. Baby, you'll find you were coming from what and love. Make them go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you'll find you were can't let you go. And these birds make them go as you shoot across the sky. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect goal. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will grow, and when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're fine. You were coming when you come. Let's pause, make it move as you shoot across the sky. A firework, come and let your colors burst. Make it go as you shoot across the sky. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. It's always been on time to roll, but now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're fine. You were coming let you go. You're supposed to make it go as you shoot across the sky. You're fine. You were coming let you go. You're supposed to go as you shoot across the sky. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Oh man, I can't put, no, stop. Need to push the, button before it starts to play E.T. and you love the E.T. lyrics. Or I can just have the E.T. lyrics. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna learn the E.T. lyrics. Or how about I sing with Katy Perry? Like, the lyrics will be shown, and I'll sing with Katy Perry. That'd be a deal. So, right after this video. Right exactly after. Exactly. So, bye.